Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are well. Okay, student. So, what we have done in our previous video? In our previous video, I explained you what are the factors which tell us that house is a good house, and we have also discussed shelter for animals in our previous video. So student, now in today video we will discuss, all of you open page number 56. I have given you the complete explanation of the chapter. Now on page number 56 there are some keywords and things to remember. This we will discuss in this video. So at the time when you are watching the video, student, please take out your rough copy pencil so that you can note down the important point from the board also. And if you have any doubt, you can note down your doubts in your rough copy so that you can ask in online doubt session class. Is it clear, student? So open page number 56. First keyword is ventilation. So what does it mean? It means that when we are discussing the factors which tell us, ऐसी बातें जो हमें बताती हैं कि एक हाउस अच्छा है, तो उसके लिए क्या कंडीशन या क्या कारण होने चाहिए. सो द फर्स्ट कीवर्ड इज वेंटिलेशन. वेंटिलेशन मीन्स द फ्री मूवमेंट ऑफ एयर in and out of a room or building. Is it clear? What is ventilation? Ventilation means free movement of air in and out of a room or building. It means the house in which you are living, that house have plenty of windows and doors, so that the fresh air, fresh air enters inside your room and house. And one more factor I discussed with you, that sunlight is also very important. Okay, so your house must have windows so that the sunlight enter your house. And do you know, student, the one of the important of sunlight is it also kills the germs. Sunlight also kill the germs. Okay, so for when we are discussing about a good house, at that time I told you that a house is said to be good if it has plenty of windows and doors so that the fresh air enters in your house, in your room, and even plenty of sunlight also. Is it clear? So you note down this. Now the next point which we will discuss, that is, this is the first keyword. Second one, shelter. See student, every one of us, हम सभी को बेटा शेल्टर चाहिए. Is it clear? Every one of us, we need a shelter. Why we need a shelter, student? We need a shelter because protect us from heat of the sunlight. Is it clear? Because it protect us from the heat, rain, hot climate and cold climate. Is it clear? A place that protect us from heat, cold, rain and other dangers. Is it clear? So shelter is the place which protect us from the different climate conditions. For example, it is very hot or very cold, rain or heat and others dangers also. Means, for example, our shelter is what? Our shelter is our house. बेटा हमारा shelter क्या है? हमारा shelter हमारे घर हैं. So these houses protect us from different or harsh climate condition like heat, hot, cold, rain, and we are talking about other dangers also. See, inside the house there are many things are inside our house also. So these houses, or you can say these shelter, it protect us from thieves also. चोरों से भी हमें बचाते हैं, क्योंकि घर के अंदर हम भी सेफ होते हैं, हमारे सामान भी सेफ होते हैं. एंड इवन वी आर सेफ फ्रॉम द एनिमल्स आल्सो. And even we are safe from the animals also. So when we are talking about the shelter, student, it protect us from heat, rain, cold and other dangers. Other dangers means it also protect us from thieves. चोरों से भी हमें बचाते हैं. और it also protect us from other animals. So shelter is very important for us. Can we live without shelter? No. Is it clear? So that is the reason shelter is very important for our life. Okay, shelter is very important for our life. Next, igloos. Next keyword, I told you in the chapter also, student, these are the houses which are made of ice blocks. Okay, so in that area where the climate is very cold and all the time you will see the surface is covered with the snow. So in these types of area, people build houses with a block of ice. ठीक है, जो स्नोफॉल होती है, जो आइस के पीसेस होते हैं, उसी से वो लोग घर बनाते हैं. ठीक है, एंड द शेप ऑफ द हाउस इज डोम शेप्ड हाउस. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज दिस शेप. This shape is known as dome shape. Okay, so these are houses. These houses are made of block of ice. And what was the shape of igloos? These are dome shaped houses. And these houses, student, these houses are found in those areas which are where the climate is very cold and the whole surface is covered with the snow. So in these types of area, people build houses with a block of ice. Is it clear? And the shape of the house is known as dome shaped. Shape of the house is known as dome shaped. Is it clear to all of you? Now next keyword is skyscrapers. Now see student, next keyword is sky. Okay, skyscrapers. This is the next. These are tall tower like buildings. What are skyscrapers? If you see in the big cities, बड़े बड़े शहरों में आपको लगेगा बहुत ऊंची ऊंची बिल्डिंग्स होती हैं टावर की तरह, इनको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? स्काई स्क्रैपर्स बोलते हैं. इन दिस द पीपल मेक देयर ऑफिसेज आल्सो, ऑफिस का काम भी यहाँ होता है, एंड इवन families are living also in these places. Is it clear? Skyscrapers, these types of buildings you will see in big cities, tower like buildings that are known as skyscrapers, and these buildings are used for office purpose also, and even people are also living in these buildings. And what they use टू गो अप एंड डाउन, क्योंकि ये बिल्डिंग्स बहुत बड़ी बड़ी होती हैं, 30-40 इतनी इतनी इसमें मंजिलें होती हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो व्हाट द पीपल यूज टू मूव अप एंड डाउन इन दिस टावर लाइक बिल्डिंग्स? दे यूज लिफ्ट. द पीपल यूज लिफ्ट, ओके, फॉर मूविंग अप एंड डाउन इन दिस बिल्डिंग्स. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज disinfectant. Next is okay, see what are these what is this? Disinfectants means a special liquid that kills bacteria and germs. We know student, at the time when I explained you cleanness of the house, at that time I explained you that there are lot of germs around us, but these are so small that we are unable to see them. We are unable to see them. So we use these types of a special liquids to kill the germs and bacteria. Is it clear? Now next is things to remember. See student, these are the very important points given. Things to remember. For example, we live in houses. See, after completing the chapter, you read the points which are given in things to remember, and if you are able to understand this point, it means you are able to understand the chapter. Okay, so this is also clear. Disinfectants, a special liquid that kills bacteria and germs. Even see student, this, if we are talking about the present time, then what we are doing when we are because in present time there is a, you all of you are aware that these times the schools are closed due to coronavirus. Even when we are going out or we are coming inside the house, we are taking lot of precautions. All the time we are washing our hands with the Savlon, or you are using Dettol. These types of liquids you are using, you are taking this type of precaution now. So what is the reason? Because these particles are so small that we are unable to see. We are not able to see them with our eyes. Okay, so that is the reason we are using different types of liquids to kill the germs. Now things to remember. We live in houses. First point is we live in houses. Now the question arises, why we live in houses? Because house give us protection from heat of the sunlight, rain, cold, and other dangers also. It means it also protect us from thieves and animals. Okay, so first point is we live in houses. So we live in houses because houses protect us from heat, cold, rain and other danger. Other dangers mean it also protect you and the things which are inside the house from the thieves and other animals. Is it clear? Next point is, student, we need shelter to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, wind, wild animals and thieves. That I have already discussed with you. We live in a house. What is the reason? This is the reason, because house is our shelter and it protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind, thieves and wild animals. Okay, I hope this point is also clear to all of you. Now next point is, there are many kind of houses. When we start discussing about the houses, so in the beginning I explained you two types of houses, that is kacha houses and pakka houses. Okay, so what are kacha houses? The houses made of mud, wood and straw, that are known as kacha houses. And the houses which are made from bricks, cement, sand, stone, iron rods, that houses are known as pakka houses. And these houses are very strong. These houses are very strong. And in the case of a kacha houses, these type of houses are not very strong, and at a regular time they need a repairment of the house. कच्चा हाउस उतने स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होते हैं और हमेशा इनकी क्या करनी पड़ती है, रिपेयर करने पड़ते हैं ये. इज इट क्लियर? सो दैट थिंग्स when I teach you types of houses, I explain you kacha house and pakka house. After that I discuss what are the conditions required for making the houses. First, climate of the place. Second, material available. जहां आप रहते हो वहां क्या सामान आपको मिलता, material available where you are living. And the most important point which I told you, it depends how much money a person can spend. अगर आप हाउस बना रहे हो तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट ये भी है कि कितना पैसा है आपके पास. ठीक है, हम हाउस वैसे ही बनाते हैं. सो इट आल्सो डिपेंड अपॉन द कंडीशंस. मनी दैट ए पर्सन कैन स्पेंड. मनी दैट ए पर्सन कैन स्पेंड. नाउ सी स्टूडेंट, देयर आर मेनी काइंड ऑफ हाउसेस. टेम्परेरी हाउसेस, परमानेंट हाउसेस, स्टिल्ट हाउसेस, tents and extra. See, so your kacha house, pakka house and your apartments, skyscrapers, multi-stored building, all these are permanent house. For example, आप कहीं जा रहे हो तो आप अपने इस टाइप के हाउसेस को कैरी करके ले जा सकते हो अपने संग? नहीं लेके जा सकते हो. Is it clear? So that is the reason they are known as permanent houses. They are known as permanent houses. फिर temporary houses like tent. ठीक है, if you are going anywhere, आप mountain climb करने जा रहे हो तो भी लोग tent houses use करते हैं. And these houses can very easily folded also. इसे आराम से आप fold करके फिर से रख सकते हो. तो these are what type of houses? These are temporary houses. What type of houses? Temporary houses. Houses on wheels, these are also temporary houses. Is it clear? And after that it given stilt houses. After that it is given stilt houses. Okay, so I have already explained you where you will found stilt houses. These houses are found in those area where there is a heavy rainfall. ये हाउसेज उन एरियाज में होते हैं जहां रेनफॉल बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होती है, बारिश बहुत ज्यादा होगी तो रिवर्स में पानी एक्सेस होगा. व्हेन देयर इज excess water in the river, then what happens, that water comes out from the river and it submerged all the places around that. Submerged means उसके वाटर से सारी प्लेसेस क्या उसमें डूब जाएंगी. So in India especially you will see stilt houses in Assam. In these days you are watching the television news, आप देखोगे इस समय असम में बहुत बाढ़ आई हुई है. असम में अगर आप डेली न्यूज देखते होगे तो आप उसमें देखना बहुत बाढ़ आई हुई है असम में. इज इट क्लियर? सो इन इंडिया व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर कंट्री, यू विल फाइंड स्टिल्ट हाउसेज इन असम. हियर हैवी रेनफॉल होती है एवरी ईयर. फ्लड्स कम, फ्लड्स मीन्स बाढ़ होती है, हर साल बाढ़ आती है बेटा यहाँ पे. इज इट क्लियर? सो व्हाट आर दिस हाउसेज? स्टिल्ट हाउसेज. वी गिव द सपोर्ट विद द वुड. वुड से नीचे सपोर्ट देते हैं, उसके ऊपर हाउस बनाते हैं. व्हाट इज द रीजन फॉर दैट? रीजन इज दैट द वाटर ऑफ द रिवर विल फ्लो फ्रॉम द फ्लोज, नीचे से वो चला जाएगा. और हाउस कहाँ है? यू हैव गिवन द सपोर्ट ऑफ द वुड, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट. आपने किससे दिया है? वुड से दिया है. सो दैट द रेन वाटर और रिवर वाटर गोज फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड लेवल एंड द हाउस is safe, and the house is safe. अगर हाउस ग्राउंड पे होगा then what happen, the rain water or river water enter inside the house. रेन वाटर या रिवर वाटर आपके हाउस के अंदर घुस जाएगा तो it will destroy or damage the house also, or it destroy all the things which are inside their house. So student, what type of a houses we make in Assam area? That is still houses, and these types of houses are found where there is a heavy rainfall. बारिश बहुत होती है, ठीक है, और हर साल क्या आती है? बाढ़ आती है, फ्लड्स आना इंग्लिश में जिसे कहते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मेंटेन क्लीननेस इन द हाउस. सी, in my previous video already I have discussed with you that it is very important to maintain a cleanliness in the house. You daily watch your mother or you daily observe your mother. आप अपनी मम्मी को डेली ऑब्जर्व करते होगे, डेली मम्मी हाउस को क्लीन करती है. इज इट क्लियर? सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वी मस्ट, योर मदर स्वीप एंड डस्ट हाउस डेली. एंड हाउस में जो भी गार्बेज होता है, कूड़ा होता है, हम हाउस में क्या कहीं भी फेंक देते हैं? नहीं. वी पुट दैट इनटू द डस्टबिन, वी पुट दैट गार्बेज इनटू द डस्टबिन, एंड इवन दैट डस्टबिन शुड बी कवर्ड. अगर आप गार्बेज फेंक रहे हो डस्टबिन में तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि डस्टबिन ओपन है. इज इट क्लियर? वो कैसा होना चाहिए? कवर्ड होना चाहिए, बंद होना चाहिए डस्टबिन. इज इट क्लियर? Even in the school you are using the dustbin that is covered. ठीक है ना? देखा है ना स्कूल में भी डस्टबिन, ऐसे घर में भी डस्टबिन होता है. So cleanness of the house is very important. If your house is clean, then only you are also healthy and fit. Then only you are also healthy and fit. Next point है, animals also need houses to live. See, as a human being we tamed some animals. tame मतलब हमें वश में करना आ गया कुछ एनिमल्स को, और हमने उन्हें अपने साथ रख लिया. ठीक है? सो व्हाट ही वांट टू से दैट एज ए एंड ही वांट टू से दैट एनिमल्स आल्सो नीड हाउस टू लाइव. जिस तरह हमें हाउस चाहिए, बिकॉज हाउस प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम डिफरेंट, हमें प्रोटेक्ट करता है ना हाउस. In the same manner animals also need, because those animal which are domestic, domestic means पालतू जानवर. तो पालतू जानवर तो बेटा आपके संग रहते हैं. अगर स्ट्रीट वाले एनिमल्स हैं जो आपके संग नहीं रहते हैं, सो इफ इट इज रेनिंग वो किसी शेल्टर के नीचे चले जाएंगे. ठीक है? लेकिन जो डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स हैं विच आर लिविंग, हमने पाला है, हमारे साथ रह रहे हैं, तो उनको देख ऑल द टाइम आप उसको रोप से बांधे हो तो ठीक है. अगर बारिश हो रही है और कोल्ड बहुत ज्यादा है तो आप ओपन प्लेस में अगर ऐसे एनिमल को रहने दोगे, इफ देयर इज नो शेल्टर, तो क्या होगा, जानवर मर भी जाएगा। इज इट क्लियर? तो वी नीड ए हाउस, वी नीड ए हाउस to protect us from different condition in the same manner which animals are domestic, domestic जिन्हें हमने पाला है उन्हें भी हाउस चाहिए होता है, ठीक है, उन्हें भी एक हाउस चाहिए प्रोटेक्शन के लिए, उनके लिए। इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज द कंप्लीट चैप्टर, चैप्टर नंबर 12 and sorry chapter number 10 and all the keywords and things to remember point that also I have discussed with you. Now we will start with the book exercises, ठीक है, अब बुक एक्सरसाइजेस आज से स्टार्ट करते हैं इनकी। नाउ सी स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखें आप, कच्चा हाउसेस, क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, okay, these are MCQ question. For one answer, for one question 3 answers are given and we have to choose the right answer. First one is कच्चा houses are, कच्चा houses are generally found in first option cities, second option villages, and third option parks. Okay, now observe the first question student, all of you. Kacha houses are generally found in, first of all understand, a brief summary I give you. Kacha house means houses which are made of mud, wood and straw, ठीक है, लीव्स हैं, पेड़ों की लीव्स भी लगती हैं, ट्विग्स, टहनियां पेड़ों की, ठीक है, ये सब चीजों से जो हाउसेस बनते हैं, दैट हाउसेस आर नोन एज कच्चा हाउस। सो इन द चैप्टर व्हेन आई एक्सप्लेन यू कच्चा हाउस, आई टोल्ड यू एट दैट टाइम जनरली देखने को आपको कच्चे हाउसेस कहाँ मिलते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज सिटीज, सिटीज, बड़ी सिटीज में कच्चे हाउसेस you are able to see? No, because I have already explained you in city area you will find पक्का houses, मल्टी स्टोर बिल्डिंग जिन्हें आप अपार्टमेंट्स भी बोलते हैं, एंड इवन यू सी बिग बिग टावर लाइक बिल्डिंग्स विच वी से स्काई स्क्रैपर्स। इज इट क्लियर? क्योंकि लगता है स्काई स्क्रैपर इसका नाम इसलिए रखा गया है बेटा क्योंकि स्काई जो है, स्काई आसमान बहुत ऊंचा होता है, बहुत ऊंचा होता है ना, तो इसी तरह ये बिल्डिंग्स भी बहुत बड़ी बड़ी हैं, लगता है कि ये ऊपर स्काई को टच कर जाएंगी, इसीलिए इसका नाम भी स्काई स्क्रैपर्स रखा गया, इसलिए रखा गया, ठीक है। इज इट क्लियर? सो थर्ड ऑप्शन दिया है पार्क, पार्क इज द प्लेस वेयर वी गो, वी डू मॉर्निंग वॉक, एक्सरसाइजेस, वी प्ले, ये सब चीजें करते हैं ना फिट एंड हेल्दी रहने के लिए, पार्क में जाते हैं, वी वॉक इन द पार्क, वी do exercises, even small kids play different types of games in the park. So people of all age group come in the park, people of all age group come in the parks. तो पार्क्स मतलब तो आपको सबको क्लियर हो गया, जहां हम मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए भी जा सकते हैं, छोटे बच्चे खेल भी सकते हैं, इवन यू डू एक्सरसाइजेस आल्सो टू कीप योर सेल्फ फिट एंड हेल्दी। सो ये ऑप्शन होगा इसका नो, दिस इज आल्सो नॉट ए राइट आंसर। ऑप्शन नंबर ए सिटीज, दिस इज आल्सो नॉट ए राइट आंसर। नाउ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, यस विलेजेस, विलेजेस मतलब होता है गांव, ठीक है, विलेजेस मतलब होता है गांव एरिया होते हैं, ठीक है। सो इट इज आस्क्ड कच्चा हाउसेस आर जनरली फाउंड इन which type of, where they are found, cities, villages, park. So what is the right answer student? Right answer is villages, or you can in is found in, it is also given in the blank, is found in dash, you write villages, Is it clear? So this is your right answer, villages. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.